Can you, any one of you again say the statement of the basic proportionality theorem? Gopal? Gopal, can you say? Gopal, can you hear me? Is it audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, today I'm going to teach you through the broadcast because on the board it is not possible to, because signal problem is there in the school. So that's why. Now, is it visible to you, this black one presentation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Presentation is not visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Mm. So we have completed the first three problems of the exercise 6.1, isn't it? 6.2, sorry. Is it visible
Yes,
to you?
sir.
So now the fourth problem you see here. In this, here the question is given to you. The triangle ABC is given to you. This is a triangle ABC. Okay. So now in this triangle, you draw the line parallel to DE parallel to AC given. So you don't draw the lines in a disorder. See here, DE you draw which is parallel to AC. See, these two lines should be parallel. So this is D and E. DE parallel to BC. And here, and also given that DF is parallel to AE. Now A and E join karo, and DF is, this problem is very, see here, this line and this line whatever you are drawing. See here, I'm going to show it to you in a different color lines. Yes. Is it clear now? These two are parallel. Okay. So here these two things are given and asking to you to prove that DF by FE is equals to BE by EC. So first thing is that what are the two triangles are given to you? First DF by FE is asking. So since DF by FE, DF by FE is which triangle it is possible to you? That a triangle. Here triangle consideration is very much important here. Triangle consideration is very much important, and what the triangle to be taken into consider is very much important. So whenever the question is given, depending upon the question and whatever it is asking to you, that you need to see DF by FE. Whenever you take DF by FE, so now here this is DF and this is FE. Okay, so this DF by FE, this DF and FE together to apply the basic proportionality theorem, which triangle it is there, in that triangle you need to apply the basic proportionality theorem. So in triangle,
Sir,
what is the triangle?
ABE.
Base, very good. In the triangle ABE, by basic proportionality theorem, you can write that BF by FE is equals to, now BF by FE is equals to, what do you get? BD by
AD.
BD by AB.
AD.
AD, AD or DA, better you say BD by DA. Okay, so in the same way, BD by DA will be equals to in triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, same by the basic proportionality theorem, if you take into consider, BD by DA will be equals to, so you have to keep in your mind, so this is parallel to this one. Okay, these two are parallel lines. Okay, so whenever these two lines are parallel lines, BD by DA is equals to BE by EC you will get. So this is equals to BE by EC. Okay. So now here from these two things you can say that this is 1 and this is 2 you consider. BF by FE is equals to BD by DA. BD by DA is equals to BE by EC. So you can say that from 1 and 2, what you can say? BF by FE is equals to BE by EC. So this is the required thing asking to you to prove. So depending upon the situation, whatever it is asking, that you can prove it. Okay. So now let us go for that. Did you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all the problems will be like this only, but identification of the triangle is very much important. So fifth problem, whenever you see that in the triangle DE parallel to, see here, through the figure itself I will explain to you. I'm not going to write the steps to you. This problem you can do it as a homework. See here, P, Q, R, and here it is given that DE parallel to OQ. So O is a point here inside given like this, it is joined. Okay. So now here the question is given to you that DE is parallel to OQ. So I'm going to draw it to you. So what are the, sorry, this OQ, for this DE is parallel. Okay. Next, DF, this is DF, is parallel to OR is given. Okay. So now and asking to you to prove this one is parallel to QR. Okay. So now here whenever you take into consider, let us name the points here. D, sorry, here it is D, E, and here it is F, D, E, F, and this is Q and R, this point is O. So what is given? DE parallel to OQ. So DE parallel to OQ means through the figure if you see that, okay, I'm going to explain, you may get confused this one. In a triangle DE and OQ as a triangle, which triangle is there? POQ. In triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. So this implies by the basic proportionality theorem, what you can write? PE by EQ. Sirf you just you in the mind you take into consider the only this triangle. If you want, and this is parallel to this one, here it is given. So what do you get? PE by EQ is equals to PD by D1. Is it clear to you all? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Okay. So now here
Sir.
the PE by EQ is equals to PD by DO. PD by DO. So you keep it aside this one. So in the same way, you take the triangle POR. In the triangle POR, what is the thing given here? DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR is given. Okay. So this implies by the basic proportionality theorem, same by the basic proportionality theorem in that triangle, what do you get? This PD by DO is equals to PD by DO is equals to PD by DO is equals to PF by FR. This is second one. Now here from these two, what you will get? From 1 and 2, you are going to get PE by EQ equal to PD by DO, PD by DO equal to PF by FR. So this one and this one both are same. So this is equals to this one you are going to get, isn't it? Okay. So this is equals to this because this one is equals to this, and say these both are same only. So here we are going to get from these two PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. PF by FR you will get. So now here PE by EQ, BF by FR equal you are saying. So therefore by converse of basic proportionality theorem, by the converse of BPT, in which triangle? In triangle PQR, this one by this one is equals to this one by this one. So then this line is parallel to this one you are going to get, isn't it? Am I right? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. EF is parallel to
Sir,
QR. Yes. Tell me.
so can you repeat one more time?
See here, actually there are three triangles are there in this. Three parts, means not only three parts, two things are given to you. First thing is given, DE is parallel to OQ is given. DE is parallel to OQ. So this is DE and this is OQ. So from this you are going to get this one by this one. PE by EQ is equals to PD by DO. Isn't it? That I have written here. Okay? Is it clear? This part. And in the triangle POR, in this triangle POR, here it is given that DF is parallel to OQ. DF is parallel to OQ. This is DF, this is OQ. Oh, sorry, OR. DF is parallel to OR is given to us. So then by the basic proportionality theorem, in this triangle, in the triangle POR, we are going to get the DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. Sorry, DF is parallel to OR is given. So therefore you are going to get this PD by DO is equals to PF by FR you are going to get. Isn't it? So this is the thing. PD by DO is equals to PF by FR. Now here from these two you can write that PE by EQ is equals to PF. So PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. So that is nothing but you from your mind completely you avoid here. I'm going to draw the triangle PQR here. See here, this one PQR, and here you are going to get E and F. So sorry, here it is given. Here the question is given this by this is equals to this one by this one. So if then the EF whatever you take, this will be parallel to QR or not? Obviously it is parallel. From the converse of basic proportionality theorem, in the triangle, complete triangle to be taken into consideration. Is it clear? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here we are going to next problem here. That is 6 to 1. 6 to 1 here, 6 to 1 also in the same way only, but the figures are different here. 6 to 1 whenever you take into consider, it is also in the same way. So those here the figure is given to you, PQR and ABC are given. So through the figure you see here, this is a triangle given to you, and here in the middle one point is given. Here O is given, P, Q and R. Like this. So A, B, C. Okay. So now the question is, what is given here in this? A, B, C are the points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ. These AB parallel to PQ given. From that what you get? This triangle you take into consider. Apply the basic proportionality theorem. OA by AP. What do you get? OA by AP is equals to OB by BQ you are going to get. And also given that AC parallel to this one. AC parallel to PR. So in this triangle, okay, did you get my point here? This is totally clumsy, I think so. That's why I'm erasing this one. What is given here? From this we are going to get AB is parallel to, it is given that AB is parallel to PQ. So AB parallel to PQ. From that you are going to get OA by AP is equals to, can anyone say? When AB is parallel to PQ, the triangle to be considered OPQ triangle. In the triangle, I'm not explaining with the proper steps here. This you can do it, just giving the explanation. OPQ if you are taking into consider. OPQ triangle if you are taking into consider. In this OPQ triangle, you need to this OPQ triangle to be taken into consider. Okay. In that triangle, see here, this this triangle. In this triangle, this is parallel to this one here it is. So we are going to get OA by AP. OA by AP is equals to OB by BQ are going to get. Am I right? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
OB by BQ. In the same way, the another parallel thing is given that actually this triangle to be taken into consider. In this triangle, AC is parallel to PR is given. So when AC is parallel to PR, in the same way, if you take into consider OA by AP is equals to OC by CR you will get. In the triangle OPR. So there in the triangle OPR triangle, mein OA by AP is equals to OC by CR you will get. So here OA by OP equal to OB by BQ. Here OA by OP equal to OC by OP. So these two parts are equal. Na? So that is nothing but OB by BQ is equals to OC by CR you will get. So from that you can say that in this triangle BC is parallel to QR you can say. That is only asking you to prove. Did you understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now seventh problem, if you see that using the theorem 6.1 prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of the one side of the triangle. Line drawn, here figure is not given. Line drawn through the midpoint of the one side of the triangle is parallel to the another side, bisect the third side. This already what is this theorem? Can anyone say? The ninth class you learned. In the class 9th you learned it.
Sir, midpoint theorem.
Yes, midpoint theorem actually. Midpoint theorem itself, this one. This one you can consider as a midpoint theorem. So what is the question given? Let us consider here. This I am going to explain to you. Because triangle ABC is given. In this triangle, through the midpoint, let us consider this midpoint of AB as a M. Or you can consider it as a D. So this is midpoint given. So that is nothing but AD is equals to DB is given. And if you draw the parallel line from here through the midpoint to the one side of the triangle, so इसका parallel line draw कर दी, ये AC को F में intersect करता है. So now here what is given here? Given in triangle ABC, in the triangle ABC, DF is first thing is given. D is the midpoint. So D is midpoint of AB. So AB का midpoint है. So that is nothing but you can say that AD is equals to DB. Midpoint is nothing but that one only. And also given, what is given? DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC, isn't it? If a line drawn from the midpoint of the triangle to the parallel to the another side को parallel line draw कर दिया है, then the question is asking to you to, can you hear me? And what is asking to you? What is asking to you to?
Yes, sir.
To FC
Yes, sir.
yes. AF is equals to FC prove करना है. ये दोनों को equal because it divides the other third side into the it bisect the third side. Bisecting is nothing but dividing into equal parts. So by basic proportionality theorem, what do you get here? By the basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equals to AF by FC you will get. So AD and DB what here? Equal. Both are equal. So in the place of AD I can write DB from here, isn't it? So DB by DB is equals to AF by FC. So DB by DB is nothing but 1. So you are going to get AF is equals to FC you are going to get. So AF is equals to FC is nothing but F is a midpoint of F is a midpoint of AC. Therefore, DF bisect AC. DF bisects AC. So that is only asking to us to prove. Did you get my point here? Is it clear? समझ
Yes,
में
sir.
आया? हाँ, समझ में आया ना?
सर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
हाँ सर.
किधर किधर डाउट है तुम?
सर बाय बीपीटी से वो उधर से.
Yes, here the question is given to you that AD by actually this line is parallel. So whenever this line is parallel to the DC. So AD by DB is equals to AF by FC you will get, isn't it? That I have written. AD by DB is equals to, and here AD and DB both are equal, isn't it? So in the place of AD I have replaced DB. AD का place में DB लिख दिया here. So DB both are equal is nothing but you are going dividing means 1 you will get, and FC if you take here, what you will get here from this step 1 is equals to you are going to get AF by FC. 1 is equals to AF by FC you will get, isn't it? So now from this you are going to FC you take that side, so AF and FC both are equal you are going to get. AF and FC both are equal. So both equal is nothing but F is a midpoint of AC. F is a midpoint of AC. So midpoint is nothing but this DF is bisecting AC. Okay? Okay, beta? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Next problem. Eighth problem is just like a same problem only. It is a converse use करना है. Prove that line joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle. So पहले ही दे दिया है ये दोनों का midpoints बोल के. ABC triangle में ये midpoints है. D and F are the midpoints. ये दोनों midpoints. That is nothing but AD is equals to DB, AC, AF is equals to FC. These two things are given to you. Midpoints. Any side, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third sides. So already here it is what is given here in this triangle, given that AD is equals to DB and E ले लो, D. AE is equals to EC ले लो. So now what do you get here from this? AD by DBU is equals to AE by EC you will get. Why? Because AD by DB 1 आएगा, AE by EC also 1 आएगा. Both 1 है ना. So by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, whenever you take into consider, what do you get? DF is parallel to AC, BC. That is only required to us. Very simple theorem here. Simple proof है. Okay? Clear है? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Next thing is ninth problem. See here. The question ABCD is a trapezium. Here it is given. Can anyone say what is meant by trapezium?
Which have two parallel lines and two unparallel lines.
It is not mandatory that unparallel lines होना है. That is only the wrong concept you people are having. It is not mandatory that unparallel lines होना है. Still anyone else? Still anyone else?
Sir, a parallelogram with opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides parallel.
Yes, very good. A parallelogram. Parallelogram you said wrong. Parallelogram you said is nothing
Sorry,
but
quadrilateral.
yes. A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel is called as a one pair is enough. If one pair parallel hota hai, then it is enough to you to say that it is one pair. If you say that one pair parallel is nothing but it is a trapezium, isn't it? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So here, whenever you take into consider trapezium, here it is given to you. So what is a trapezium? ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. So trapezium, I am drawing the ABCD, AB parallel to, and the diagonals intersect each other at a point O. So here the figure is not given. So if you are able to draw the figure in this situation, most of the students directly by having this even geometrical problems, these problems, analyze the problem and draw it. AB parallel to DC and diagonals intersect each other at a point O. So now here if you take into consider AB parallel to DC, this is trapezium like this, A, B, C, D. And some students will write here, if I write like this, is it wrong? Is it okay? AB parallel to CD.
No, sir.
Why not? What is wrong in this? What is wrong in this?
Sorry, sequence पे नहीं है.
Sequence trapezium name is given to you as ABCD. So this whatever previously I have named it ABDC hota hai. So now here the question is given to you that AB parallel to DC and its diagonals both intersect at a point O. This is one diagonal, this is another diagonal, and both are intersecting at a point O. And show that AO by OC is equals to AO by BO is equals to AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. So first you take into consider here AO and BO. Directly AO BO you will not get. AO and CO. AO and CO are AO and OC as a sides of the triangle. Which side you are having, which triangle can be taken into consider. The first thing is you have to do it. You draw a once little bit here. Okay, let me explain to you very clearly. Given AB is parallel to CD, and what we have to draw here, draw a line. Let us name it as a like this. You draw a line DO. Sorry, you consider M. You consider here. Did you get my point here? Okay. So draw a line MO parallel to AB and as well as it is parallel to CD. ये दोनों लाइंस का पैरेलल, एक को पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ कर दिया तो तीन दोनों को पैरेलल हो जाते हैं ना, isn't it? Because already AB parallel to CD, and if I draw a line which is parallel to the one side AB, then it is parallel to the other two sides also, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
And you can extend this one to the another point to the N. So instead of writing here MO, MN you write. MN is parallel to. So this line is parallel. We are constructing little bit more. Extra construction we are doing. So here analyze the problem that what to prove. Actually we need to prove that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. This directly will not get. ये CO को इधर लेके जाओ, BO को उधर लेके जाओ. So what do you get? AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. This is possible to us to prove. This is possible to us to prove, isn't it? Why? Because if you take into consider this, how it is possible? AO by directly BO, not AO by CO. If it is possible, AO by CO is what do you get here? AO by CO. If you take AO by CO is equals to AM by MD, and AM by MD. Actually, this is not necessary. MN लेने का जरूरत भी नहीं है, but some students may get confused. That's why I have given to you MN here. Did you get my point? If it is taken only MO, that is enough to you. This here like this, MO you take, also you will get the problem. But some students may get confused. That's why I have drawn like this. MO, if you are taking into consider, first you take the triangle ABC into consideration. This is ADC. ADC. In this triangle, you apply the basic proportionality theorem. This is parallel to this one. What do you get? In triangle ADC, MO is parallel to DC. By basic proportionality theorem, what do you get? AO by OC is equals to AM by MD. This is first one you consider. Same way, you take the triangle. I am drawing that triangle with another color. This triangle into the consideration. Because in both the triangle we are having AM by MD common, but it is changing the other point. So here, if you take into consider that triangle, what is the triangle? A in triangle ABD. In this triangle, which are parallel? AB is parallel to MO. This implies by basic proportionality theorem. In this, if you apply that, what do you get? Can you say? AM by MD is equals to BO by OD. This is second one. From 1 and 2, what do you get here? From 1 and 2, what do you get? AO by OC equal to AM by MD. Here AM by MD equal to BO by DO. So this part is equals to this you will get now. So AO by OC is equals to BO by OD. And take these two, interchange करो. BO को इधर लेके आओ, OC को उधर लेके जाओ. ये BO इधर लेके आओ, OC को उधर लेके जाओ. So what do you get here from that? AO by BO is equals to OC by OD. So this is only asking to you to prove. Did you understand this? This is very important problem in the examination point of view also. It is very important. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10th problem, whenever you see that, 10th problem is same way, but it's converse it is. Diagonals are intersecting each other at a point was such that it is given to you. इसका reverse है. ये दे दिया है. ये दोनों equal बोल रहे हैं. Okay. So what to prove here? From here to here you will get. From here to here you will get. Shall I explain to you that, or can you do it? Huh?
सर इसी क्वेश्चन का तो कन्वर्स है ना क्वेश्चन पे.
ये इसका कन्वर्स है, बस कुछ नहीं है, सिंपल है. A B C D trapezium it is given. A B C D is trapezium not given. Quadrilateral it is given. It is not given trapezium. So A B C D parallel नहीं दिया है हमको. And it is given that diagonals. This is one quadrilateral. One quadrilateral. Both the quadrilateral intersecting at a point. Diagonals intersecting at a point. Such that it is given that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO is given. From this you will get AO by CO is equals to BO by DO you will get. Now here what to do? First thing you have to draw one line parallel to the MO. Let us construction में MO parallel to AB draw करो बस. Either AB or DC consider करो. Did you get my point here? Okay, I'll explain to you completely because you may not be able to write. Some of you may get confused. I'm explaining very clearly. A, B, C, D. Both are intersecting at a point O. Okay? And we are constructing MO is parallel to AB. Either AB you can consider or CD you can consider. So what is given here? Let us write here. Given AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. This implies you can write AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. Can I write like this? CO इधर लेके आया, BO उधर लेके गया. Okay? And draw MO parallel to AB. MO parallel to AB draw कर रहा हूँ मैं. So if it is taken into consider, if it is a parallel line, then you can say that in triangle ABD, you can write that AM by MD is equals to BO by DO. Did you get my point? By basic proportionality theorem, in the triangle ABD, I have drawn a parallel line, draw कर लिया है. From that you are going to get this AM by MO is equals to BO by DO you will get. So, but BO by DO is equals to AO by AC. But BO by DO is equals to AO by CO from here. Isn't it? So that is nothing but what you can say from these two. AM by MD is equals to AO by CO. AM by MD is equals to AO by CO. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem in triangle ADC, in this triangle, because here it is AM by MD is equals to AO by OC is given. Okay. So in this triangle ADC, what you can say? MO is parallel to DC, you can write. We have taken MO parallel to AB, but we proved MV parallel to DC. From that you can say that AB parallel to DC or not. So from here you can say that therefore AB is parallel to DC. If one pair of parallel lines are exist in a quadrilateral, therefore you can say that ABCD is a trapezium. So it is asking to you to prove it is trapezium. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. With this we are completed the exercise.